పొత్తిళ్లలో ఉండే శిశువుకి మలమూత్రాలు ఎంతో సహజము. అదేవిధంగా ఆడవాళ్ళకి ఋతుస్రావం అయినప్పుడు అది కూడా దాన్ని శుభ్రపరచుకోవడం కూడా ఒక ముఖ్యమైన విషయం. అయితే వీటన్నిటికీ ఇదివరకు సహజమైన పద్ధతులు ఉండేవి. అవి పర్యావరణానికి కానీ మా ఆడవాళ్ళకి చిన్నపిల్లలకి ఏమీ అభ్యంతరకరంగా ఉండకుండానే శుభ్రపరచుకునే పద్ధతులు ఉండేవి. అయితే రాను రాను మనము ఆ పద్ధతులు మానేసుకున్నాము, డైపర్లను ఉపయోగించడం మొదలుపెట్టాము. అదేవిధంగా ఆ డైపర్లను వాడుతూ ఇప్పుడు డైపర్లే ఒక పిల్లాడు చిన్న శిశువు దశ నుంచి 5 ఏళ్ళు వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇంచుమించు కొన్ని వందల డైపర్లు ఉపయోగిస్తూ ఉంటాం. అదేవిధంగా మహిళలు కూడా శానిటరీ నాప్కిన్స్ ఉపయోగించడం మొదలుపెట్టారు. ఇవన్నీ మన పర్యావరణం మీద ఎలాంటి ప్రభావం చూపిస్తున్నాయి? వాటికి వేరే దారేదైనా ఉందా? మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం, మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం, మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం. మన జీవిత విధానంలో ఉపయోగించే రకరకాల వస్తువులు వాటి ప్రభావాన్ని, చెడు ప్రభావాన్ని తగ్గించడం కోసం ఇక్కడ మాటీ ఫెస్టివల్లో కొన్ని సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని కొత్త రకాల వస్తువులు ఉన్నాయి. వాటి గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే.
Namaste, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Sir, my name is Amruti and I work for this wonderful foundation called Mati Foundation, and we are into sustainable activities. We have a segment called the Bartan Company, which is into renting steel cutlery. We run a steel bank and we do lot of consultation and on-site support for to help with the eco-friendly events like weddings, birthday parties, housewarming,
Without
etc.
generating any waste.
Yes. So nothing goes to landfill. Like this photo booth says, make memories, not waste.
Not the waste.
Yes.
Priti, I just wanted to request you to explain some of these items that we see on the display. Can we
Sure.
just go there?
Yes, sir. Please. So,
Can you explain what is this?
sir, so now that everyone has gotten busy with their lives, they have stopped using langots or reusable diapers. So this is something.
And they are using plastic-filled diapers
Yes.
with a lot of resins and
Elastic.
absorbing water.
Correct.
But they are not disposable really.
Correct.
From environment point of view.
Yes. So these are reusable diapers and they come with a lining. So the kid can wear it, and if you need to remove it, you can just change it and put a different diaper or put a different lining.
Okay.
And kept reusing the shell. So
And this is washable?
this is washable. Both are washable and they are machine washable.
Okay.
Yes.
And you can use it so many times.
Yes. It can go on for 2 to 3 years easily.
Oh.
Yeah.
So one simple piece can save a lot of waste.
Yes.
So if a child wears this from maybe from birth itself,
Yeah.
up to 2-3 years till the child grows, they can use the same one.
Yes.
They can change this.
And not only that, sir, using this, one advantage is that as they are not heavily absorbent as these disposable diapers, the kid also, we are born with this instinct that we don't like to be in filth.
Yeah.
So even babies, they are born with this instinct that I don't want to be in my own filth. So they'll cry and tell you, and they will get off diapers faster.
Yeah.
Compared to kids who are on disposable diapers for a long time.
Okay.
So that is also one more advantage for parents and the kids, and you can save a lot of money.
Yeah.
And you can save environment by using this.
How much does this cost?
Sir, one piece costs 700 and it comes with this lining, and it depends on different brands.
Oh.
So this one is, I think 600, between 600 to 700, and you can get linings for a cheaper cost.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yes.
So a simple diaper will save a lot of plastic and disposable, and this is adjustable.
Yes.
Yeah, according to the growth
so
of the child.
yes, so it can be used for a very long time.
Yeah. So this is a very nice product that minimizes lot of waste from every family that has an infant. It's very recommended.
Yes,
product.
yes.
Okay. Can you explain about this?
This is a reusable pad. This can be washed. So just like,
During menstrual cycles, women can use
yes, this is for menstruation. So we use it, we wash it, dry it in the sun, and you can keep using it.
this. Okay.
Yeah.
This can be used for how many months or?
So this is reusable again. It depends on the flow. If you are using it more often, then it will wear off faster.
Okay.
But again, much better than what
disposable
goes. Yes.
brands. And how much does this cost?
I'm not sure about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this product is also very, very environment friendly, and I hope women also feel comfortable using this.
Yes,
Okay.
they do. So this is again organic cotton, and inside also the lining is organic. You don't get
Any rashes,
you don't get any rashes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can buy 2-3 sets. like this.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah. And can you also explain about this?
Yes, so these are menstrual cups, again used for menstruation. So these are cups, and this you have to insert in the vagina. So these are made from medical grade silicone, and again this can last you for more than 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so this each is like 250 to 300 rupees, again depending on the brand.
Okay.
So 200 to 250 is like one pack of sanitary pads that we buy.
And it lasts for so many years.
Yes, so easily this can be used for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years.
How to clean it?
So sir, you just wash it like with a gentle soap in under running water, and either you can get this sterilizer.
Sterilizer.
This is for 250 rupees, 250 to 275 rupees. This is by P Safe brand,
Okay.
and you just pour a 5 ml of water in this.
Okay.
Keep it upside down, close this, and then turn it on. It will sterilize on its own and turn off on its own once the sterilization is done.
So you don't have to use any of these diapers or anything once you have it.
Yeah. So you can have two, and in case you are traveling, you don't have access to clean water, at least you'll have an extra cup,
Yeah.
and you can use it.
Okay.
Yeah, so even this is very affordable. This sterilizer, like I said, is just 250 or 275 rupees.
What is the reaction of the women who are using this? Are
Sir, they will
comfortable?
not go back to pads at all.
Really? It's
Any
very
pads.
comfortable.
Yeah. I am using it personally, and I cannot go back to any kind of pads or even tampons for that matter.
Yeah. So it's a message to several women. Very unconsciously, they are using so many disposable, napkins. They don't know that they are creating a lot of problem to the environment
Yes.
and to their own health.
Yes.
Instead of that, either they can use this or they can use this for their own
Yes.
health as well as for the health of the planet.
One more thing I would like to add, these also come in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large. Depending on the flow, you can buy a menstrual cup. And the best thing about this is you will not get any rashes, because it is not coming in contact with your inner thigh or the
Okay.
folds. So that is very big advantage.
Where do people get that?
These are now also available in medical stores, physical stores.
Okay.
So you can look at different brands. There are different shapes and sizes. You can check it out in physical stores.
Okay.
Also available on their own websites and Amazon.
Wonderful. So that means there is a growing demand for this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So this, though Marty has several verticals and several products, explained about very most important products of your foundation, which have very great impact on our health of the women and children,
Absolutely.
apart from the planet.
Yes.
Thanks for explaining them.
Thank you,
Yeah?
sir.
Thanks.